Hey guys, it's Des from Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're going to show you how to change your advertising settings in the My Metro app. Before we start, please make sure you have your login and password information available, and please make sure you have the My Metro app installed. First, go ahead and log into your My Metro app. Next, you'll tap on the Account tab at the bottom right of the app. Then, at the top of the app, you'll tap on Update Profile. After that, tap on Network and Location Settings, click Yes to continue. And finally, you'll tap on the Use My Data to make ads more relevant to me toggle switch to change it to off to opt out. For more information, you can visit our Privacy Center at tmobile.com/privacycenter. We hope this how-to video has been helpful. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.